Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Qeema Knot Rings. Pour some oil into the pan. Add 300 grams mutton minced. Sauté well until changes the color. Add 1½ tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1½ tablespoons Kashmiri Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Cumin Powder, 1/2 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala. Roast well. It is machine minced if you have thick minced, so pressure cook it. Take 5 whistles, then dries out the water. Add some water. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook 6 to 7 minutes or until minced cooked completely. Dries out the water completely. Add salt to taste. Combine well. Remove in a bowl. Keep aside, let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, make the slurry. Take a small jug or cup. Add 2 tablespoons plain flour. Water 1 tablespoon or is required. Mix well to make a smooth paste. Once Keema cooled down completely, add 1 large onion chopped. Add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add some chopped green chilies as per taste. Combine well. Now take spring roll sheets. Peel out each sheet to separate. It's time to make knots. Take spoonful of Keema stuffing. Place on spring roll sheet as shown. Put sufficient stuffing. Roll it as shown. Seal the corner with slurry. Roll completely. Make sure to seal it properly. Make the ring knot as shown. Tie the knots as shown. Repeat the same procedure for remainings. Put stuffing. Wrap it. Brush some slurry to seal it. Wrap it tightly. Tie 2 knots so it doesn't get untied. Similarly, make all the knot ring rolls. Here are some more ideas. Instead of keema, you can also put tikka, malai boti, hariali kebab, chicken bhuna or tuna corn. All recipes are uploaded on my channel. Stuff it and seal it with slurry. Wrap it tightly. Make 2 knots. Do this for all. All knot rolls are ready to fry. Can be freeze in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. Freeze it for up to 1 month. Heat up the oil for frying. Place the knots. Flip and fry. Fry until crispy and golden brown. Remove it. Time to plate. Hear the crunch. Do try this unique Keema Knot Ring Rolls or unique shaped samosa recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Let me show you another one. try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.